Presenting the Lite action camera. Smooth, powerful, light. The Sony IMX206 image sensor can record in 4K or full 1080p HD at 60 frames per second for over 2 hours. It can also capture 16 megapixel still images so you can turn those cherished moments into clear, crisp memories. The 150-degree wide-angle lens lets you get panoramic views of the world, and the 2-inch LCD touchscreen is ultra-responsive with a highly intuitive user interface, so previewing your shots, changing modes and settings is effortless. Electronic image stabilization steadies the action, and with 9 shooting modes and dozens of compatible accessories, you just need enough moments to capture. The Lite includes a rechargeable lithium battery and a micro USB cable. Just add a micro SD card. The Lite, from the new leader in action cameras.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.